Right, the plan now is going to be the 0837 cross-country service through to Edinburgh Waverley from Plymouth, 221122. So, there goes that one. So, hello guys, welcome to the latest video from KTV. Today, filming throughout Devon. Today, I'm currently at Tiverton Parkway. So, here you're going to be seeing, around today, you're going to be seeing services from Great Western Railway Cross Country and Southwest Trains, plus, that's it really. So you'll be seeing lots of train services departing and arriving, passing throughout Devon. So not just here, but you've probably already seen one that's about to come in next from Exeter St David's. So we've got a few people here. We've got GreatWesternSpotter.
Oh my god, it's called Transport Vlogs. I'm his biggest fan. I have all the merchandise and everything.
We've got Super Alps, who's being very annoying.
Yeah, Super Alps. Think about that for a sec.
Yeah, he's got a
Super
website.
Alps. You know the really bad reskins?
Yeah, missing texture.
Missing clag textures.
It's not my problem.
We've also got Great Western Trains. We've got TrainclipsHD. There's P16 Trains. You've got Layer 83D hiding away.
I'm gonna sneak away quickly.
And there is UK Rail, who's here. So there's a few here. But yeah, we've got quite a few people around. To be fair, I don't know if Felix still has his channel, P16 Trains. I haven't really looked, but hopefully it's still there. And that wasn't a wasted shout out. Anyway, so thank you for watching this, guys, and I hope you enjoy. Let's get started around Devon. Right, departing here is going to be the 0813 Great Western Railway service to Exmouth. It's 151.20 unfortunately, and 153382. There's 153318. And 143 what? Something.
I don't know.
Better not be 603 or else I'm paying a quid.
What?
Better not be 603 or else I'm paying a quid. Well, it's 153318 and 143. Yeah, it's... Huh? 61, yeah it is. It's 619, okay. Right, arriving now is the 0823 cross-country service to Edinburgh Waverley from Plymouth. Also arriving in is the 0825 Southwest Train service still on the Waterloo, but we're not going to see that. We have a 221 in 221 122. Right, coming in now is going to be the 0855 cross-country service to Paignton from Birmingham New Street. It's 220 and 220 019. One away. One away. Go on, go. So there's that one. 220 019 to Paignton from Birmingham New Street. Alright, the time now is 220 019. that's with the 0910 cross-country service to Paignton from Birmingham New Street. And there with a good one tone is 150-123, which is going into Exeter TMD. And over there is 150-202. And also 150-263 and 153-305. And also 150-130. Over there, that's heading to Exmouth. So we've got a 40-minute wait here now, so see a couple of videos in a bit.
We'll watch your video down here today.
Yeah.
Alright. No. Don't drag me on that.
Right, so flying here is 150-130, heading to Exmouth on the 0915 service. Also arriving in here is 153-325. Oh, what happened to my voice there? 153-325. Here's 43-175. I think that's 153. Yeah, it's 373. Well, 318 somewhere else.
No, that's going out to Paignton.
Yeah, that's 43-175. That is on a Great Western Railway service to Plymouth. No, Penzance, sorry, from London Paddington. Okay, just got back from getting breakfast. There's 221-126 heading on the 0923 cross-country service to Glasgow Central from Penzance. Here is 150-120, go away, and 153-382 heading to Barnstaple from Exmouth on the 0927 Great Western Railway service. And here is 159-103, which is going to be on the 0925 South West train service to London Waterloo, which is departing right now. We get to ride one of these things later. Nice working the driver. And 159-015. Oh, okay, right. Well, it appears that our train that's going to take us to St Beulah is going to be 153-373, 153-325 and 152-02. Now, that is a very, very difficult choice of which one to sit in, because that's got a number of various interior, but it's green. 325 has the London Midland interior, and 202 has the, no, it's not, it's green, but it's not green inside. So there you go. Right, pulling out now is the 0927 Great Western Railway service to Barnstaple with 153-382 and 150-120. Nice two tone. So that's the Exeter St David's sort of section of the Trains Around Devon, Trains Throughout Devon video. We might see it again, but over here we've got a massive load of units. 150-123 over there with 305 and 263, 202s over there. It's going to go on our train with 325 and 373. I think they're all going to Newquay because last time they did. So there. Right, now this train now departing, heading to Newquay. And there's my dad. So guys, everyone on my channel, there you've just met my dad, who has paid us a visit at Ferry Road, and he's bombing everyone's videos.
He's been bombing my videos. One off video, don't get you. Yes, that's up to.
Oh, who cares? It's Dad.
I was making a reskin out of it.
Now they all know who you are. Okay, arriving in here is 150-104, I believe the 11 I believe the 11, let's say 11:08 or 09, Great Western Railway service to Gunners Lake. This is our train going to take us all the way there. How lovely. Okay, here's 43035. And I'll explain what it is in a second. I'm going to cut off in a sec. Okay, so the train that's just arrived here is the 1304 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Penzance. Calls at Exeter St David's next, followed by Taunton, Reading and London Paddington. It's quite a fast service. 43035 is the front, we'll find out the rear in a minute. Right, off goes the 1304 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington, calling at Exeter St David's, Taunton, Reading and London Paddington only. 43035 will take it away and we'll see what's in the rear when it pops up. Over there as well, by the way, is 57605. It's on 1335 to Exeter St David's, and 220013 is also over there. (43191) takes up the rear, and that's off to London Paddington. Again, calling at Exeter St David's, Taunton, Reading, and London Paddington. So our train, which is, I believe, the next train, is the 1314 to London Paddington, which we're getting off in Newton Abbot. That is 43 or whatever it is. I don't know the numbers, but it's from Newquay, that one, and that's the one we're getting on. So anyway, let's carry on, shall we? And here comes 1314. 43187 is the front. I'm supposed to find out the rear in a bit. With the LE15 set, so it's a refurbished interior. Okay, the party now is the service to London Paddington from Newquay. So we're at Newton Abbot now. 43187 and 43179. Heading to London Paddington from Newquay. Right, so departing now is the 1434 Great Western Railway service to Penzance, 43069, and lovely 43172 Harry Patch. And there's 153382 and 15120. I know, and there's 15120 again. Bugger off!
No, we love you, we're trying to stay with us.
I hope I never see you again. Stupid unit.
We won't see it again today.
I hate that unit.
You want to.
I don't want to. Anyway, there it goes to Penzance. Calls at Plymouth, Liscar, Bodmin Parkway, Parson, Tossal, Truro, Redruth, Camborne, Hale, St Seraph and Penzance. There you go. Right, whilst you wait, in comes a cross-country service. This, I believe, is heading to Newquay from Dundee. It's 221139. That must be the Newquay service with 221139 from Dundee. 150-130 is over there, that's our train, and 4308-7 is on the front of that one, and I'm not happy because that's my stalker. Bugger off, 087, do me a favour. Right, so let's carry on. I'm not going to film it going out because I haven't got not a lot of storage. Right, departing now is going to be the 1722 Great Western Railway service to Paignton from Exmouth here at Exeter Central. Say goodbye to our final GWR unit of the day, 150, 130. So now, yep, so now it's just time for the Southwest Trains.
Let's go.
Let's enjoy it. Right, arriving here is 159103. And 159005. 015 rather. Heading to London Waterloo. We're going to get it to Axminster. Off we go. So guys, thank you for watching this video from Trains Throughout Devon. If you have liked what you've seen here on the Trains Throughout Devon, then please do like and subscribe and leave any comments because I get back to them as and when I can. I'm here at Axminster, just finishing the day off. So yeah, it's been a brilliant day. And I've got to give a shout out to Cammy Bird because this is your local station. You asked me to shout you out whenever I arrived here. So, you know, I guess I've got to do that. So today's been brilliant. I can't fault today at all. Just amazing turnout, an amazing trip, and I really look forward to doing another one soon. My next Race the Ranger is going to be Race the Ranger 3, which will probably be next year, when I do my own one again, which will hopefully be on the Cardiff and Valleys in South Wales. So I'm looking forward to that. I'll probably an overnight stay in Cardiff, or somewhere like that, or in somewhere, I don't know. Anyway, so my next station is going to be Romsey on the Wessex Main Line to the South West Trains to Great Western Railway, so I shall see you all there. Thank you guys, and thank you for watching Trains Throughout Devon, a compilation of just loads of clips in Devon, and I'll see you all in Romsey. Goodbye guys.